Each box contains 4 parts: the handle, trigger mechanism, the pressure handle, the 2-part epoxy, and 2 mixing nozzles. Lift the plastic lid prior to inserting the pressure handle. Be sure to press the metal lever while inserting pressure handle. Each component should match up the circles for proper fitting. Once matched up, press the metal lever up and insert the pressure handle. With the metal lever still pushed up, pull the pressure handle all the way through. Now insert the epoxy. Remember to match up the circles for proper fitting. Once inserted, you can close the plastic lid. Take out one nozzle for mixing. Remove the plastic cap from the epoxy. Once again, match up the circles. Once connected, turn the nozzle clockwise to lock into place. The epoxy gun is now ready for use.